Okay, let's talk a little bit about casework. What is casework and why does Congress utilize this idea of casework? Casework very simply is trying to help one of the people that you represent out with a problem. Some equate it to like a big suggestion box. People will call into a congressman's office, email, with either an issue they're having, a problem they have with their surroundings, and that member of Congress is going to try to solve that problem. Now, obviously, they're probably not going to do it personally. If I call a representative, Tim Walberg's office, more than likely it's going to be one of his staff that's going to be, I shouldn't say more than likely, it is going to be one of his staff that will help me out. So if I have a problem like, I'm not getting my Social Security checks, there's a reason for that. I'm not 65 years old. But if there wasn't, they're going to look into it and find out, like, why is this guy not getting what he deserves? Now, maybe it's a complaint I have. Maybe it is whatever. If there's some issue, they're going to try to solve it. There's a lot of reasons. Congressmen put a lot of reasons into doing casework. Obviously, they want to help out their constituents, navigate government. It's a little tough. Huge national government is confusing. So this is a way to kind of make that more simple, easier to do. From a selfish point of view, it's re-election. Obviously, if Drew calls my office and he's not getting his Social Security checks, and I fix that for him, all of a sudden I am a hero. Maybe I'm not in the eyes of Drew like seen as a very big, important individual. But if I get them Social Security checks, Drew all of a sudden is going to say like, hey, he's pretty okay. You can start telling other people like, hey, Congressman Dennis did this for me. So come re-election time, that's a lot of goodwill. So I do it for re-election. That's one of the reasons that people do casework. It's a reason to oversee the executive branch. That is definitely a reason. I'm going to throw another one in here. So we're going to... Laws. Potential for new laws. Now, casework sometimes opens my eyes up as a congressman to a lot of problems. If I see a lot of my constituents having the same complaint or the same issue, maybe that's an idea for a law. If people complain about the pollution within a certain area, maybe I'm like, hey, we need to do something to fix this. There seems to be a law there. Maybe I'm going to write a law or write a bill to try to alleviate some of the pollution that's kind of going on. So any of those reasons. So casework's pretty valuable for those reasons. It makes, it creates a stronger link between either the senator or representative and the constituents that they represent. There's a lot of goodwill that go kind of back and forth from solving that problem. If you need anything else, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Otherwise, I'll probably be seeing you pretty soon with another one of these. So enjoy yourselves.